Being the inventor of the device, as well as a rope access technician myself, the end user, my goal was to have a perfectly light, very usable, very secure device that every technician will have on their harness on the planet because it is the best. That was my goal. I'm the sole guy. I'm the director, I'm the CEO, I'm the worker, I'm the engineer. I wear all hats. The whole goal of the edge and the vortex is to protect a rope or a steel sling from a potential sharp edge.
Got live humans hanging from parts that are 3D printed. Every single application, every time that product is used, it must not break. If it breaks, someone may be injured.
We're able to print with the threaded collar of the nut right on the device, so it'll never come off. You can't do that with any other method, period.
3D printing to this point hasn't had the ability to produce parts that are strong enough to take the kind of demands that he was planning on putting on these parts. As we developed the parts for him and he tested them, we realized multi-jet fusion's got the strength to come through on such a demanding application.
We sent some of the files over and we got it right away. Almost immediately, we knew that HP's multi-jet fusion was going to be a production method.
He just wanted to run a few parts to start with that he could get in-house and use, test, feel, take out to study groups and start to actually test out in the field. And when those worked, we used the same process to just make a lot of them. They know they need to trust someone. The digital manufacturing network shows that we're meeting a certain specification regardless of where we print the parts. It lets them know that we're going to be right there with them every step of the way and we're going to help them meet their specs.
You know, being just a rope access technician turned inventor, it's been an interesting process. You know, it's a new label, it's a new title you can put on the end of your signature, I think.
Multi-jet fusion is opening new doors for new applications for a huge range of people across the world. It allows for a whole different range of new thinkers and makers and designers of new products to make things that they didn't think were possible before. It's incredibly world-opening.